Okay, hello. Today I'll be showing you guys how to download Feed the Beast Unleashed pack in order to play on the Enderport Feed the Beast server. First off, you're going to want to go to feed-the-beast.com. Once you're there, you're going to want to scroll down. Depending on what type of computer you have, say Mac, you might want to download the jar. For most Windows computers, however, you're going to want to download the exe. This usually works for Mac as well. Just simply click on that, and then this will show up. Just wait until this is fully downloaded. However, on mine, I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to skip that part of this straight to the actual FTB launcher. Once you have the FTB launcher downloaded, though, you may drag it onto the actual hotbar for yourself. As you can see, my pack isn't fully up to date, but it doesn't really matter. Once you're first in, you're going to want to You're going to want to go down here. You're going to want to go to Create Profile. You're going to want to click on Create Profile. Use your username and password as your real that you would use as your actual Minecraft username. Such as if you use your Mojang email, use that, or if you use your Minecraft username, use that. Once you have that done, I would go into here. When you click for the install folder, I would honestly make a folder on your desktop screen, like I did here. I called it FTB for Feed the Beast, and I just have it set for the download to go into here. Doing that actually solves some issues you can get when you're launching it. You can change the amount of RAM you have here if you have a 64-bit processor. And then after you do all this, you can just simply scroll down here on the left side. It'll start with Monster. You scroll down until you find FTB Unleashed version 1.1.7. Once you have that, select your profile if it's not already selected. But before you launch it, you're going to have to, the first time you launch it, it'll have to download all of the server, so it will take a while. But you're going to want to launch it for your first time and wait for it to download. And then simply exit out of the program, exit completely out of the Minecraft it opens, reopen the launcher, and click on Edit Mod Pack after you have FTB Unleashed actually selected. On this right side here, you'll see you'll see 5 or 6 disabled mods. You are going to want to enable every single one of those in order to connect to our server. As you can see, I already have that done. So I'm just going to exit out now. Once you have that done, click on Launch, and it will launch up again. It may take a few more minutes because it has to completely reload it again. Once it's loaded, you can actually get to work. For our server itself, our IP is going to be right here. 208.167.228.163:25641. That'll be subject to change within a few days. We are hoping to get a actual dedicated IP for the server, which means we won't have to use the port. And then we are also hoping in order to get a custom IP for our server. As you can see, the FTB Unleashed does take a little while to load. That is because it has to go through every single one of the configuration files in order to load it. It consists of over 100 different mods in all. Once you have it loaded, though, like mine just did, you'll see here I already have it added, but you're going to want to add server. You can name it whatever you want, and then the server IP will be right here. Just simply copy and paste it in. This will also be in the download. This will also be in the link below, well, in the description below. Simply add that, and then you can just click Join Server. Thanks for watching. If you have any issues, feel free to message me or any of the owners.